Craving that polished, magazine-worthy look in your home? These luxury Amazon finds add instant elegance, rich textures, and statement details that completely transform your space. From sophisticated decor to elevated everyday essentials, each piece is designed to make your home feel refined and effortlessly stylish. All products you see are linked in the description. A tiny table with serious style power. This adjustable marble drink table lets you raise or lower the height to match your sofa, chair, or bedside perfectly. The white marble top paired with an antique brass pedestal gives you that vintage meets modern look in seconds. Its slim base saves space, yet stays sturdy while holding your drinks, books, or decor. And yes, it even comes with matching marble coasters to protect the surface while you sip in style. Some corners deserve more than just empty space. This tall floor vase instantly turns a blank area into a bold design statement. Its clean, modern shape is wrapped in layered wooden details and finished in glossy white for a fresh, elegant look. The sturdy fiberglass base keeps it lightweight yet durable, so you can style it with decorative branches or dried flowers with ease. Place it in your living room, bedroom, or entryway, and watch the whole space feel upgraded. What if your coffee table could almost disappear? This clear acrylic waterfall table gives you a full surface without making your room feel crowded. The transparent design keeps your space looking open and airy, perfect for cozy apartments or smaller living rooms. Made from thick, impact-resistant acrylic that's far stronger than glass, it won't easily crack or shatter. It's stain-resistant, waterproof, and sturdy enough to handle daily use while keeping that sleek, modern vibe. Pull up and make every seat feel VIP. These velvet counter stools wrap you in soft woven fabric with a supportive back and armrests for extra comfort. The plush cushion keeps its shape so you can sit longer without feeling stiff. A smooth 360-degree swivel and easy height adjustment let you match your bar or kitchen island perfectly. Finished with a sturdy gold metal base, they add instant luxury while keeping you stable and secure. Your books just found their new spotlight. This tree-style bookshelf stacks 6 tiers upward, giving you plenty of room without taking up much floor space. The built-in RGB LED strip lets you change colors, brightness, and effects, so you can match your mood in seconds. A sturdy steel frame and wood shelves keep everything stable, while the lower cabinet hides away small clutter. Slide it into a corner beside your bed or near your desk and instantly upgrade the vibe. Ready to make your ceiling the main event? This 5-ring crystal chandelier floats overhead like modern art, instantly turning your space into a showpiece. Each ring sparkles with clear crystals that reflect soft LED light across the room. You can adjust the hanging height to fit high ceilings perfectly and use the remote to control brightness with ease. Ideal for living rooms, foyers, or dining areas, it brings bold luxury without overwhelming your space. Walls don't have to be boring. This feather-inspired LED wall sconce turns your space into a soft, glowing work of art. The layered white feathers create texture and depth, while the built-in light shines gently through for a warm, elegant effect. You can switch between 3 color modes, warm, neutral, or cool, to match your mood. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, or living rooms, it adds drama without taking up any floor space. Light up your walls without any fuss. This set of 2 battery-powered LED wall sconces curves elegantly like modern art while giving off a warm, customizable glow. Use the remote to dim the brightness, change color temperature, or set a timer for hassle-free control. No wiring needed, just mount, power, and enjoy instant style and light anywhere. Perfect for bedrooms, hallways, or living rooms, They combine function with sleek, minimalist design. Bring your indoor jungle to life, even in the darkest corners. This 8-tier plant stand comes with full-spectrum grow lights, giving every plant the light it needs to thrive. Its tall, sturdy design holds multiple pots securely, while the curved metal frame adds a sleek, modern touch. Use it to display flowers, herbs, or even books and decor. Easy to assemble and compact enough for corners, it turns any space into a green oasis. Give your walls some personality. This large swinging wall clock doubles as a striking piece of 3D art, featuring layered ginkgo leaf designs that bring depth and life to any room. The silent movement keeps your space peaceful, while the bright, durable materials resist fading and stay vibrant. Adjustable lighting and a remote let you highlight it just right, day or night. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. It tells time while turning heads. Light up your bathroom like a pro. These 5-light vanity fixtures give you total control with adjustable brightness and 5 color temperatures, from warm to cool. Each head swivels 350 degrees so you can banish shadows while doing makeup or shaving. The frosted acrylic shades soften the glow, protecting your eyes while keeping things bright and clear. Built to last, they resist rust, moisture, and are easy to install, perfect for any modern bathroom. Your bedside just got a serious upgrade. This gold nightstand isn't just a table, it charges your phone wirelessly while you sleep. The LED lights set the mood with 3 colors and adjustable brightness, perfect for winding down. A sleek drawer keeps your essentials tucked away, while the tempered glass top adds modern flair. Compact, stylish, and smart, it fits beautifully in bedrooms, living rooms, or any small space. Get ready like a movie star every day. This large makeup vanity comes with a dimmable LED mirror that lights up your face perfectly for makeup, hair, or skincare. 2 built-in Bluetooth speakers let you play music or tutorials while you get ready. USB ports and a power outlet keep all your devices and styling tools charged and ready. 11 spacious drawers with crystal knobs store everything neatly, keeping your space stylish and clutter-free. Turn any corner into a cozy retreat. This ostrich feather floor lamp casts soft, warm light that instantly adds romance to your room. With 3 color modes and dimmable brightness, you can set the mood for reading, relaxing, or working. The sturdy resin base keeps it steady and safe, even around kids. Elegant and airy, it fits effortlessly in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, creating a dreamy, stylish vibe. Maximize your space without the hassle. This foldable bookshelf sets up in seconds with no assembly required. 4 sturdy tiers hold books, plants, decor, or kitchen essentials, keeping everything organized and easy to reach. The metal frame and durable shelves support heavy loads while looking sleek and modern. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage, making it perfect for living rooms, offices, or small spaces. Keep all your glasses in one stylish spot. This 360 degrees rotating organizer holds 9 to 12 pairs of sunglasses and doubles as a tray for jewelry, watches, or trinkets. Soft pads protect your accessories, while the weighted metal base keeps it steady. Spin it easily to grab what you need in seconds. Sleek, modern, and compact, it looks great on a desk, dresser, or nightstand while keeping your space perfectly organized. Sit back and drift into comfort. This rocking glider chair has a tall, padded backrest and wide armrests that hug you while you read, nap, or relax. A handy side pocket keeps books and magazines within reach. Sturdy rubber wood legs and thick foam make every rock smooth and secure. Stylish and cozy, it fits perfectly in nurseries, living rooms, or bedrooms, turning any corner into a relaxing retreat. Float into relaxation with this double-egg swing chair. Its ergonomic design and thick cushions support your body perfectly, making long lounging sessions effortless. The stylish woven rattan adds a chic touch to any room or outdoor space. Lightweight yet strong, it's easy to move and built to last, even in harsh weather. Perfect for bedrooms, balconies, gardens, or terraces, it turns any spot into a cozy retreat. Bring style and function to your living room. This round glass coffee table features 4 tiers and 2 360-degree rotating tops, giving you easy access to drinks, snacks, or books. Tempered glass and a sturdy metal frame keep it strong, heat-resistant, and wobble-free. Smooth edges make it safe for kids and pets, while layered shelves keep your space organized. Sleek, modern, and practical, it's perfect for small spaces, offices, or cozy living areas. Sink into luxury with this modern velvet sectional. Its curved design and plush cushions make lounging, reading, or binge-watching effortless. High-resilience foam and spring support give the perfect mix of softness and support for all-day comfort. Sturdy hardwood and durable velvet handle pets, kids, and daily use without losing style. The L-shaped chaise and included throw pillows turn any living room or apartment corner into a chic, inviting space. Keep all your earrings and necklaces perfectly organized. This 4-layer jewelry stand holds 153 earrings and multiple necklaces, while keeping dust out with its foldable cover. Made from durable, eco-friendly ABS, it's sturdy and built to last. Compact and portable, it fits easily on a vanity or countertop and is perfect for travel. Stylish and practical, it's a great way to protect your jewelry while keeping everything within reach. Upgrade your living room with this smart coffee table. It comes with a built-in fridge to keep drinks and snacks perfectly chilled, a wireless charger, USB and Type-C ports, and a power socket keep all your devices powered up. Touch controls and mood lighting add a modern, futuristic vibe. Sleek, functional, and compact, it's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or apartments where style meets convenience. Say goodbye to boring faucets. This digital LED basin faucet lets you rotate 360 degrees for total control over water direction. Hot and cold water mix instantly, and the clear LED display shows the temperature at a glance. Switch between gentle streams and powerful sprays for washing, rinsing, or cleaning with ease. Sleek, modern, and practical, it's perfect for any bathroom, making daily tasks faster and more enjoyable. Bring warmth and style to your backyard. This pyramid fire pit is made from heavy-duty steel and built to handle high heat safely. Its smokeless design keeps the air clear while you enjoy cozy evenings outdoors. The sleek black finish adds a modern bohemian touch to patios, gardens, or meditation spaces. Easy to assemble and durable, it's the perfect centerpiece for gatherings or quiet nights by the fire. Add comfort and style with this swivel accent chair set. Each chair rotates a full 360 degrees, making it easy to reach, relax, or chat from any angle. Soft, high-density foam and durable polyester give a cozy, easy-to-clean seat. The curved back and wooden base add modern elegance to any living room, bedroom, or office. Sturdy construction supports up to 300 pounds, and assembly takes just minutes for instant comfort. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.